Alright, this is an attempted fix for a 1992 Dodge Grand Caravan. I've got the intake plenum off here. The fuel rail, this is the fuel rail. The fuel pressure comes in right here, goes through here, going to each injector, and then circulates around this crossover pipe and through here, past the pressure test port, and through the regulator, and then back to the fuel tank. But these have a problem where they have a built-in swivel right here. This is my fix you're seeing here right now, but you can see this swivels on there, and there's an O-ring in there, and they did that so that you could correctly line this up without putting, too much stress on anything. So there's basically a hydraulic swivel here and here. Each one has an O-ring. Originally, they were crimped in. They put them together and then crimped them, so after 20 or 30 years, the O-rings would fail, and there was no way to get them apart and fix them. So this is my attempt to fix it here. Alright, so what I've done here, you can see these do still swivel, but what I had to do, let me take this little thing off of here. Alright, this thing's just going to be a real bugger because it won't hold still. I'm holding one, there we go. One hand's busy with the phone, so I made these little, I guess it's a collet that goes on. Two little collets that go on there. Well, that's a little bit stuck. There we go. Okay. So these two little collets, or whatever you want to call them, they have a groove for this, and then they come down behind it, and then they also come here, and you can see there used to be a little, come on, focus, a little crimped flange over here that prevented this from plugging out, but I very carefully ground it off, so now you can see that unplugs. There's the O-ring in there. But now I should be able to replace the O-ring and then put it back together and then put on this little collet. I've not tested it yet. Turn that around. A little bit of a snug fit. But anyway, that's the idea. And then, of course, the hose clamp keeps it on there, hopefully. So, we'll see. It should be every bit as strong as the little crimp thing that they originally had on there. But it comes apart for replacement. I did have to pound in on the valve cover here a little bit, or the rocker arm cover a little bit to make clearance because it was really close, but it's just an old beater of a car, and you can see this isn't in all that great shape anyway, so I just pounded that in. It's sheet metal, and that made room for it. So there you go.